and welcome back to North Meet South by Satish and Stuti to yet another exciting video here on North Meet South, exploring
Kerala on motorcycle.
Kerala on motorcycle, another episode of Motorcycle Diaries.
Yeah, yesterday you guys watched, how a little brook turned out to be, the dangerous looking,
Yeah.
we say menacing, right?
Yeah.
Menacing, maybe a river, a monster, water monster. And today we're going to look, if the brook could look that scary,
Yeah.
how would be a
A real river.
real river. So we're going to say after us, since 2018 flood, things are really scary over here, and people get really panic.
Yes.
The rain will not won't stop for a while. Like rain will persist for more than 3 days.
Yeah.
People really get scared of flood. So we're gonna see how the situation in that river along the we're gonna drive along the river. So we're gonna check how the devastation has already been done.
Yeah.
It's kind of a scenic drive,
Yeah.
at the same time adventurous one.
Yeah.
So we are going with our Bullet,
Yeah.
our Blackie, so our companion. So please come along with us
Yeah.
and just see how beautiful Kerala is. Just see how beautiful Kerala is. Even danger is looming large on like Kerala is.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we are not saying that it's going to be a devastating thing and all, but things are not getting things are not looking that good, right?
It's all because of the typhoon.
Yeah, all because typhoon. So we are catching the typhoon now.
Yeah.
I've seen people are catching storms,
Storms,
Yeah.
whirlwind. Yeah, I was about to say whirlwinds. Yeah.
whirlwinds. So today it's North Meet South by Satish and Sudhi catching up the typhoons.
Yes, let's go and stay connected with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe our video. Enjoy the journey, enjoy the ride on Bullet with Satish and Stuti. So keep watching us, guys. This is another wonderful rubberized road which I enjoy to drive. Although I'm not driving right now, but I really enjoy this road. The weather forecast was telling that, 12th of October it's gonna be a heavy rainfall thunderstorm, but out comes the sunshine, and that's why we are able to come out and, show you this lovely, beautiful place. There's a very beautiful church over here. St. Thomas Marthoma Church, Puttaval. So any localite brothers and sisters from Patnapuram who are not currently in Patnapuram, I'm sure this would be a feast to your eyes.
This is Puduval
This is Puttaval,
in Patnapuram Kayankulam Road.
Patnapuram Kayamkulam Road, okay?
Puduval.
Puttaval, Patnapuram Kayamkulam Road. This place is Puttaval.
This road is Patnapuram Kayankulam. It's a KP road.
KP Road, Kayamkulam Punalur Road. In short form, it is called as KP Road. And I'm sure along as I am enjoying, you two also are enjoying the drive with us, watching us on our Bullet, our buddy. Look at the lush greenery on this side. So we're gonna go from this St. Stephen's College, Patnapuram, Malur, and it's a Malur College Road.
It was a paddy field.
Ooh la la! Again there is a.
See, this brook or the water came from here.
Okay, this much of water.
So
Under this bridge also there's lots of water. Oh my god! And look at that birdie over there swimming, so cute. Oops.
you're okay?
Yeah, I was just pulled by the bullet. When you went forward, my back went back. Lot many beautiful houses everywhere. And it's like climbing the hill. it's dangerous. We cannot go on to the other side. Road is a bit bumpy. Okay, now we got the side and now we can go.
Still of riding a bike,
Bullet, yeah.
whether it is any type of bike.
Uh-huh. Oh,
150.
look at the mud and swamp. All coming from there, I think so. Washed by the rain. Is this also a small village, Ani?
Yeah, this is a small village.
This is also a small village. I don't know the name.
Other day we went in a car
Yeah.
to a village ride.
Uh-huh.
This time bike ride.
Bike ride to a village. Village. Small village in Kerala. And that too on a hill. Sometimes we are up and sometimes we are down. But that's the fun of driving. If it is straight, I think the driver will get sleepy. What do you say, boy?
The landscape is very different.
Very different in Kerala. Yes, indeed.
One good thing about that Himachal Pradesh,
Uh-huh.
so there is like I've seen that other video, like,
Uh-huh.
mountain trucker.
Uh-huh.
I'll tell you one thing. See this river? Not river.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I was catching up with the truck, so I missed out the wonderful brook. Yeah, please continue, Satish.
Yeah, in Himachal Pradesh, like water scarcity is too much.
Yeah,
But here we didn't find that much of space in Kerala.
true.
So the Kerala is basically a mountain region,
Uh-huh.
and we have everything like valley, everything is there. But in the even mountain region, we have water sources.
True,
Correct, no?
true.
See the farm.
Fan ka baricha we say, no? If I'm not wrong, I also forgot lot many Hindi words. Fan ka baricha, badika, I don't know. And again, the rubber plantation. Now we are climbing up, feeling so. Even the air that we breathe, we feel so fresh over here. Trust me. Just going out to the city, I can feel the difference in the freshness of the breath that we are breathing over here. Indeed, the lap of nature. Very fresh, very delightful, very soothing to the soul. Man, wherever you look, lift your eyes, everywhere there is greenery. Everywhere. Look at the logs, lots of logs of wood. Lots of timber business. So we are riding at what speed, boy?
Not much. All
30, 40?
that's it. I mean, when you drive on a mountain region,
Yeah,
the speed limit is there. We never cross that one.
true,
Correct?
true.
Yeah.
And we both drive slow only.
Because ultimately,
Uh-huh.
it's all about you are risking your life.
True.
Speed thrills. But
Hmm. Speed thrills but kills, yes.
I was saying that you can drive when no danger at all.
Correct.
Yeah, on the road.
Mm-hmm.
Then we can drive peacefully. Actually, go for whatever you can bring, you can get the best out of your bike.
True.
But the road condition, everything has to be, support that.
Uh-huh.
Has to support that. People are working.
Yeah. Yeah, I was taking that footage. And comes a little bumpy place. Very small, but overall on an average, I will say the roads are really, really, really very nice in spite of, the bad rain. I mean, I'm not saying rain is bad, but yeah, the rain keep pouring out again and again in Kerala, but still, most places the roads are really nice. And you have the approaching road, even though you are in the interior or in the deep forest, still to a large extent you can find the road, you can find the connectivity.
I used to sit around here when college I studied.
Okay.
College in Mali.
So we are about to, this is the college.
This is college I studied.
This is the college. Kids are hanging out. Well, colleges are open because all the college children have got the vaccination, so it's safe. Oh guys, this is awesome. It's a nice big college, St. Stephen's College, Patnapuram. So friends, those who are watching us and you have studied, you have fond memories, you please write to us. See the light, see the road. Drrrr is going down. You feel some guli guli in your stomach. You can see the goats grazing. Cute little goats. Lush greenery on both the sides. Cow over there. Rubber plantation. And we have reached to one junction.
Hopefully there's some inside.
So I was asking you guys, if you are a bona fide student of St. Stephen's College, Malur, please write to us, and the best comment we will pin it up. What do you say, Sunny?
Yes.
Yes. Just write to us in the comment section if you are also a bona fide student of Malur College, St. Stephen's College. Oh la la, look at the road. Oh, this is awesome. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. So this is something very exciting. Same type of bottles, and they have put ice cream ka empty covers. Right, this is lovely. Very creative way of growing the plants, making, out of the waste material, thrown up things, they have made a very beautiful vase out of it, and they are doing plantation. Wonderful piece of work. Great. Loved it. Great work. And they have over here as well. Oh, look at these. Plastic bottles, they have, cut it and, put it on top of it and growing plants into this. Very creative, very innovative way. Thank you. Thank you.
This is a very common sight.
Common sight, but I love it so much.
Rubber trees.
Rubber trees, yeah.
And that side I have some nice, beautiful valley. Look at that.
Look at the valley over there.
I think you can get a good clear view from here.
Yeah. Awesome. Nice homes, even though it is down, but nice concrete, beautiful homes. Unexpectedly, one small speed breaker. Small brooks, small hollow places they have made, right? That they can, the water will just flow through that for irrigation purpose. Oh, there's another brook. Awesome. MDMHSS Malur. St. Stephen's College Malur. Now we are on a little broad road. So how's the ride, boy?
Amazing. This is actually a parallel road to the river.
That's it.
The river is flowing from the other side.
So we are on the parallel road. Whoa, 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 whoa. But we are in between houses are coming. So there's a river which is parallel to the road on which we are driving. But due to the homes, we are not able to capture that.
This is the
Life of a village. Cows, raising up cows.
That's not their prime major.
No, no, no.
Because of the rain and also very hard to maintain the
Road. Some of the places, look at how steep it is to go up to their homes. Look at that. Look at this. I think it is nice to have homes on a little raised sections because you know when the water flows crazily everywhere, then it is nice. You will be safe. Water will not come inside your homes.
nice river over there.
Yeah, there's a river parallel.
But I think not much rain, right?
Yeah, as of now, we never know when the grey clouds will again come and start pouring crazily.
Keep moving, huh?
Huh. Wow, okay, which gear?
Okay.
Fourth gear, okay.
It was straight here, now it's left. Look at that side.
Awesome shot. This place is still same place? Is it the same place? Seems to be a primary healthcare center, I guess. With the setup, I couldn't read, I can't read. Little bit of again climbing up.
That's what we saw, right?
big electricity tower. When we started, it was all cloudy. Again, I didn't carry my sunglasses.
Really?
Yeah, and I never thought
That's why I wear, that kind of
photochromic.
Yeah.
Yeah. I never thought that, it will be a sunny day. I thought we better be ready to get wet. And now look at the sunshine. See, I don't know how much. That side is the river. I'm stretching my hands and keeping it as much as I can. Yeah, you can see the river. If you can slow down a little bit, it is dangerous. We told, no, Satish told you guys that, we're gonna go from parallel to the river. We're gonna have a ride on that road. Look at this, friends. Look at this. Anyway, we'll catch up to the main river over there, where you can have a better glimpse. Very calm, very beautiful, very green. So much of silence. There it is. We are on a parallel road adjacent to the river. There's so much of greenery. I know it's hard for you to catch the visuals, but I'm not telling lies, guys. We are honestly on the parallel road to the river that is flowing onto my right. Okay, so this is, friends, blue and white color. What you can see, this is Kundayam Bridge. It's the same brook. Ooh la la! If brook is this much wide and if the brook is this much wide and if the brook is this much wide and deep, how about the river, guys? I'm really getting scared of this, seriously. Although I'm safe on the Malur Bridge right now, me and Satish, Kundayam Bridge, sorry, apologies. But if this is so dangerous and scary, how about the river, real river? So let's go and catch it up over there. How's the river over there? Come on. So I'll give you another look from the other side of the bridge. Oh guys, seriously, this is how it looks. This is a brook. This is a brook. What I imagine in my mind, the brook will be very, narrow. It will be very, shallow. But see this. So what is that boy you're telling?
It's just a brook only.
Who lala?
River is other side.
Okay.
The same brook we just saw yesterday. We went, right?
Yeah.
The same one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go.
So this is the brook. Then think about the river. So my fear was right. This is the site, the dangerous site of the brook. Then think about the river, how much more deep and wide and dangerous it would be. So friends, stay connected. Stay connected. Please write to us in the comment section from which part of the country or which part of the world you are watching us, because Malayalis you can find everywhere, right? So especially for my Malu brothers and sisters, Please let us know from where you are watching. We'll be very glad to know that our videos are reaching to different homes, to different families, to different people. Please let us know in the comment section.
This is the Kundayam road.
This is
Kundayam.
Kundayam, Patnapuram. Okay, so Kundayam, Patnapuram and Einath. Oh, oopsie doopsie.
Now we are going. What happened?
No, the bridge, the pit.
Now we are going towards Patnapuram.
We are going towards Patnapuram.
We
Okay.
have to go and catch the
Big river.
big river before it's gone down.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's about to rain now. So let's go.
Yeah.
The junction. Kundayam junction.
Okay, we are on another junction. It is Kundayam Junction. Kundayam Junction.
Small place, I think.
It's a small place, okay.
But you get everything here.
But you get all the necessary things over here. See, wherever you are living, whether you are in the suburbs or outskirts, whatever way you call it, if you get all your necessary things in your junction, in your approachable, places, nearby places, then that place is perfectly fine for people to live, isn't it? So it doesn't matter. Not everybody can live in the heart of a town or a city. But actually this is nice residential place. You will enjoy the scenic beauty, you will enjoy the calmness, right? You will enjoy the freshness of the air over here. It's totally blind spot. So it's actually very nice to live away from the hustle and bustle of the city. It's good for our health, it's good for our mind, good for our heart. Oops, doopsie. See that little goat which has been tied up. So we are going towards Patnapuram now, isn't it? Okay. Now I remember this junction. Tika. Now I remember. So we had that ride parallel to the river. What junction is this? Pidavur Junction. There's a nice Andrea Regency. Again we are on a nice smooth road, broad road. So this is the bridge, guys.
This is the famous Pidavur
Famous Pidavur
bridge.
Bridge. Have a view. And they have made a nice sit-out place over here.
This is the tour train.
I always was telling Satish, let's come over here. They have, off late they have done this, renovation of this place. They have extended, they have put the tiles over here and colorful, pillars they have put so that car parking is not possible, but bike parking we can do as Satish is doing. Just on a pleasant evening, just come and sit. So friends, we want to close our video right over here. We just request you to watch the next video. Don't miss out the next video, because in our next video, we're going to go down to the river and show you how the river is. Literally, I'm going to go down to the river and show you how it is. So as of now, Satish and Stuti is saying bye-bye. Right? We'll catch you in the next episode tomorrow, same time, 12 p.m. Remember to like, share and subscribe our video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.